Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost Fitbit instant fix step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Fitbit is charged. Check the last recorded location in the Fitbit app. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the dashboard where your device is displayed. Look for the last synced location indicator. If your Fitbit is within Bluetooth range, use the Find My Fitbit feature. Select the option to make your Fitbit vibrate. Listen for the vibration to pinpoint its location. If you don't hear it, move to areas you frequently visited while wearing it. Check common places like your home, car, or gym. Search areas where it could have slipped off, like under furniture. Consider retracing your steps to places where you last remembered wearing it. If you still can't find it, use the Find My Device feature on your smartphone. This can help locate your phone as well, which may help you recall where your Fitbit was last seen. If all else fails, consider using a Bluetooth scanner app. These apps can help detect nearby Bluetooth devices, including your Fitbit. Once located, take steps to secure it, like using a wristband or a clip. Regularly check its battery life to avoid losing it again in the future. Make a habit of checking on it before leaving any location. Stay organized by designating a specific spot for your Fitbit when you're not wearing it. With these methods, you should be able to find your lost Fitbit quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.